Alright guys, so this is your homeboy Ronnie Del Pitos, aka Ronnie's everywhere. And guess what? I happen to find myself inside the Foresight TV mansion. It happens to be one of my budding favorite acts. Yes, he's a Bullhouse signed act. I'm talking about Vanilla. Today happens to be the premiere of his latest single, Lala. Trust me, this happens to be his 7th single, right from Sikili Tele, Ghana Ma, Want You Bad. I mean, this guy, you guys should watch out for him. I just listened to the song and it's a jam.
Lala, 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 Lala. I could die for your mother. I say nobody but them. Fighting, mommy, what's up? Carry your love like a kaya.
Very excited about this new release. Lala, as you know, was dropped today. We plan on doing big things. We have dance routines coming up. We have major activations and major publicity coming up. You know, we plan on really pushing this song to the limit.
Everybody now. Sing to you like a fireman. Day for you like a ragaman. Rush to you like a fireman. Baby, ride on, baby, go. Sing to you like a fireman. Day for you like a ragaman. Loving you no the tire man. I go light you like a go. Lala, Lala, Lala.
What's up, my people? It's your boy Vanilla, and I'm live right here inside the Foresight TV mansion. I dropped a surprise song on you guys, Lala. So you know, I just thought it wise, as usual, to come here and exclusively break it out to you guys. My 7th single, and with you guys, your help and your push, Charlie, there's no limit to where this song can go, Charlie. Lala, Charlie, out now on Boomplay exclusively. It will be out everywhere on the 27th. Make sure you get it. Don't sleep on this one. Lala, Foresight TV, big love as usual, always.
Everybody now. Sing to you like a fireman. Day for you like a